Jai Jai Shankara Hara Hara Shankara. Many have been asking me, Swami, why should I do Nevedyam? What are the benefits of doing Nevedyam? How should I do the Nevedyam? And what items I must use and do Nevedyam? Okay? This video is the answer to all these questions. Before I go on, I appreciate that you like, share, and subscribe to this video and to our channel anargya.com in YouTube. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel anargya.com. Alright. So now let's get in. What is Nevedyam? Why should I do it? How should I do it? Now take a Panchapatra Udurni, right? Then you have to have a bell. Fill the Panchapatram with water. Just pour a drop of water on the floor. Keep the item which you want to do Nevedyam. Ring the bell and chant the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayad. Do it 3 times. Just take the Udurni with water and just with the item that you are going to do the Nevedyam, just make 3 rounds, chant the mantra Om Bhurbhuvasvaha, then pour the water and then say Pranaya Swaha, Apanaya Swaha, Udanaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Samanaya Swaha, Brahmanaya Swaha, Amritabdhanamsi. Right. This is the normal one. So what all items you can use to do the Nevedyam? Kshiram, milk. Put little bit of ilachi, right? Then make a powder of it. Just pour one tinge of it on the milk. Add a little bit of sugar or the hardened one, what we call as kalkand, sugar candy, right? I don't know if that is the right word. So just use that in the milk. You can offer that as Nevedyam. Or beat a leaf and nut along with 2 bananas. Or grapes, dried grapes. You can offer that. Cashew, badam, unsalted pista, rice with a drop of ghee and little bit of purple gram. You just put it there in the food. You can offer that as Nevedyam. Okay. So after that we are saying Pranaya Swaha, Apanaya Swaha, Udanaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Samanaya Swaha, Brahmanaya Swaha. What is a great deal about this Pranan, Apanan, Udanan, Vyanan, Samanan, Brahman? See, right from that time, the food is at the seed state till such time it is cooked and served to you. There are plenty of process that goes inside. First of all, the farmer must be happy. In case the farmer is not happy, his thoughts, then from there it goes to the middleman or directly to the mandi, whatever applicable, right? I don't want to get into that part of it. So from there to the shop, from the shop to the boy, from the boy to the person who's cooking, and then to the one who is eating it. So there are multiple people's thought forms, thought residues that goes with the food. When you are doing the Nevedyam and when you are saying Pranaya Swaha, Apanaya Swaha, Udanaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Samanaya Swaha, Brahmanaya Swaha, what is happening is there are multi-layer of colors that goes with the food. Unfortunately, we forget this visualization. Pranan, sapphire color. Apanan, evening cloud, how when the sun sets, it gives a particular color. So that is the evening cloud color. That color has to go into the food, at least by visualization. Vyanan, the silver color. This is the silver color, right? So the silver color has to go into that food. Udanan, fire, the color of fire. Samanan, milky white. So when it goes inside that particular food, the toxins, the harmful chemicals, any radiations, okay, the negative impact of chemicals and fertilizers, all that is released. So the food you eat is how you think. This is science. What you have to do, give all these colors, bless the food. Okay, bless the food. So once the food is there, you just bless, you eat. This is the objective of doing Naivedyam. And after that, you're eating the food. So this answers why Naivedyam and how you have to eat. Alright? So how you have to do the Naivedyam, what are all the items you can offer along with it? As I said, betel leaf and banana, tender coconut, you can offer that. Badam, pista, cashew, unsalted pista, cashew, you can offer that. Kalkand or solid candy, right? Solid sugar candy, you can offer that as well. So these are all the things that you can offer as Naivedyam to the god. By doing so, your and rice, of course, the rice that you eat, right? So when you give this as Naivedyam and when you eat it, you eat a very healthy food. I'll give you a couple of science behind it. Okay, prana is the life force. Nobody can dispute this, which resides in the Kundalini. So when you're activating the prana shakti, so from the Kundalini, the energy goes from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Ajna, Sahasrara. So it goes around and then comes back and then goes up and then comes back. This is how the energy flows, right? Okay. So Pranan is the life force. Udanan is the ascending Vayu. Apana is responsible for excretion, urine, passing urine, and semen, of course. Samanan makes sure that your bodily fire is activated and active. Vyanan, respiration, excretion, digestion, and circulation. So when you're doing the Naivedyam and consuming that particular food, with the blessings of the divine, you're getting all this. Just bless the food. O Mother Goddess Annapurni, or in your system, you can follow any system. Whatever God, just pray to God. God, oh God, thank you very much for this wonderful meal that I'm about to have. Please bless this food with your unconditional love, with your unconditional light, divine light and energy and kindness and compassion. That's it, over. Have the food. Make a paste of the food, because the first level of digestion happens in your hand, second level of digestion in your mouth, third one is a normal one which I need not tell you. So when you're doing that and when you're consuming the food, you will love it. And there are people who just gulp the food. See, you're living in this world to get good food, good sleep. Subsequently comes other things. There are people who don't care about the food. They just gulp it, as if they're rushing, towards something. I've had, people who have been working very hard in their life. This man has earned, crores of rupees. But when it comes to a time where he had to retire, he doesn't know how to enjoy life. All the money he earned, now he's spending on medical. Why? Because at the time when he has to enjoy, he was looking at something else. What I am saying is, yes, savings is definitely needed, must mandatory, all that. I'm not denying that. But don't leave the present. You are living in the present, enjoying the present. The food that you have, you have to gulp it, closing your eyes, enjoy the food. Bless the food, enjoy the food, eat the food, be happy. That's all I'm saying, nothing else. So, Just follow this practice. I'm sure it doesn't take much time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes more, which I don't think is a great this thing. Very importantly, keep the mobile phones away from the place where you're eating your food, because all the time people eat like this. Stop. You're not that busy, where you cannot even spare some time, and have your food without a mobile. Don't say that. You can do it. So just do this much. Small things like this can keep your mind healthy, can keep your body healthy, and your life healthy. Health is wealth, and that is the order of the day. I'm sure you will love this video, you like this video. So please do share. Be happy, be healthy, stay healthy. All the best. God bless you all. Blessings be to you and your family. God bless you all. Thank you.